You can keep up your trendy style with these really cute wedges from Chinese Laundry. These feature a fun strappy design with an easy slip-on style and an open-toe silhouette. All the straps are really fun and they have a lot of padding to give you a comfortable feel, and they are available in other colors as well. They do offer a nice footbed that's going to give you a comfortable ride, and this jute-wrapped wedge heel will boost you up 4 inches in height, giving you a really good lift. These sit all on top of a synthetic outsole that is grooved to help with some traction under your feet, and I think these will look so great going to a party with a little flowy dress.